Hey, water lovers and wallet watchers. Imagine this. You're rushing through your morning routine, craving a crisp glass of H2O that doesn't taste like it bubbled up from a rusty pipe. Or worse, you're eyeing that pricey pack of bottled water at the store, knowing it'll dent your budget and doom another round of plastic to the landfill. Sound familiar? Enter this per 30-cup countertop water filter dispenser in eye-catching white and blue, a sleek, no-fuss hero that's been my hydration lifeline for months. I've tested it in my chaotic family kitchen, from whipping up smoothies to refilling kids' sippy cups, and let me tell you, this isn't just a filter. It's a full-on rebellion against mediocre water and wasteful habits. Stick around as I spill the fresh, unfiltered truth, pun intended, on why this per water dispenser deserves a spot on your counter. Right now, what hooked me first? The sheer audacity of its design. In a world of bulky pitchers that hog fridge space like uninvited houseguests, the per 30-cup slim profile slides in effortlessly, holding a whopping 30 cups of filtered bliss without crowding your shelves. It's like the Marie Kondo of water dispensers, sparking joy by decluttering your routine. But don't let the pretty white/blue aesthetic fool you. This bad boy is engineered for battle against tap water's invisible foes. Powered by a genuine per filter, one included, lasting 40 gallons or 2 months of daily pours. It deploys 2-in-1 filtration tech that's NSF-certified to slash over 15 chemical and physical nasties. We're talking chlorine, bye-bye, pool party aftertaste, mercury, copper, zinc, and more contaminants that sneak in and sabotage your sips. Compared to Brita's top pitcher filter, Per reduces twice as many offenders, delivering water that's not just clean, but craveably crisp. I blind tasted it against straight from the tap and store-bought. The Per version won hands down, turning my skeptical spouse into a convert mid-gulp. Now, let's get real about the problems it obliterates. Ever cracked open a bottled water only to question if it's worth the $2 markup, and the guilt of adding to ocean-choking plastic piles? Or dealt with slow-drip pitchers that leave you parched while waiting? The Per 30-cup water filter dispenser flips the script. It solves the taste trap of municipal water, filtering faster than Per's own plus pitcher model so you can pour mid-process via the genius pull-down spout. No spills, no drama. For families juggling soccer practices and dinner prep, that's gold. And the savings? Brace yourself. Ditching a year's worth of 16.9-ounce bottles could pocket you up to $75 monthly. Yeah, I crunched the numbers. It's not hype. Environmentally, it's a quiet revolution. One dispenser means fewer trucks idling, less fossil fuel burned, and zero microbe filtering pretense. Like some brands claim but can't back up, Per keeps it honest, focusing on what matters: your health, your wallet, your planet. Diving deeper into the nitty-gritty, here's what makes this Per countertop water filter dispenser a retention magnet in my home. Space-saving slim design for seamless storage. At just the right footprint, it nestles into tight fridge spots without toppling towers of leftovers. The carrying handle lets me haul it to the sink for effortless refills, and that lock-fit mechanism snaps the filter in like a seatbelt. Secure, no leaks, zero guesswork. Ideal for apartment dwellers or dorm setups where every inch counts. Dishwasher-safe durability meets effortless cleanup. Hate scrubbing grimy reservoirs? Me too. This one's top-rack friendly, so a quick cycle banishes residue while I sip coffee. It's built tough for over 35 years of Per's trusted engineering, outlasting flimsy competitors without cracking under pressure or ice cubes. 2-in-1 filtration for unmatched purity. NSF certification isn't fluff. It's lab-proven to target bad taste culprits twice as effectively as leading rivals. Pour a glass while it filters, and taste the difference. Smoother coffee, vibrant teas, even ice that doesn't dilute your drinks with off flavors. For health nuts, it's a stealth upgrade, reducing heavy metals without stripping beneficial minerals. Eco and economic wins that stack up. Each filter's 40-gallon lifespan means fewer swaps, every 2 months for a household of 4. And that $75 per month savings? It's real math, not marketing magic. I've tracked my grocery hauls. Bottled water vanished. Joy appeared. Bonus: no more lugging cases from the car. Just pure, on-demand refreshment. User-friendly features for all lifestyles. The pull-down spout? Game changer for one-handed pours during kid chaos. portable enough for picnics or office counters, yet sturdy for daily grind. And for the skeptics, it's compatible only with genuine PUR filters, because knockoffs can't match the certification. Pro tip: stock up on extras for uninterrupted flow. But wait, does it have quirks? Honestly, minor ones. The initial setup takes 5 minutes to soak the filter, patience rewarded, and at full capacity, it's hefty to lift solo if you're petite. Yet these fade fast against the flood of winds. In my testing, it outperformed a borrowed Brita in speed and taste trials, earning raves from guests who assumed it was fancy spring water. For college kids in cramped dorms, busy parents streamlining mornings, or green living pros ditching disposables, this PUR 30-cup drinking water filter dispenser is tailor-made. It's not just hydration, it's empowerment, cleaner water, lighter bills, smaller footprint. Curious if it's right for you? Picture this: waking to water that elevates your entire day, from detox smoothies to post-workout recovery, all while your bank account breathes easier. I've integrated it into meal prep and recipes pop. Think salads that sing without that metallic edge. Fresh insight. Pair it with a reusable bottle for on-the-go purity, amplifying those savings exponentially. Ready to transform your tap into treasure? This isn't hype, it's hydration revolution. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and snag your PUR 30-cup countertop water filter dispenser today, before bad water wins another round. Your taste buds and trash bin will thank you. What's your water woe? Drop it in the comments. Let's chat. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.